So, you want subtitles just like Swaggersouls has in his videos. The same style that I'm using for a lot of my videos too. Well, look no further. I'm going to show you guys today how you can get the exact same subtitles fairly easily in Adobe Premiere. So firstly, just so you guys get a better idea, let's take an actual clip from one of my recent videos where I use the subtitles. This is the effect that I'm going to be teaching you guys how to recreate today.
It does happen such that it does happen that it does happen such that it does be like this.
What? He's going behind you.
Yes.
Me no speak.
Aiden, what am I watching?
Haha.
Alright, so here we are in Premiere, and honestly, this tutorial is going to be pretty short, not going to lie. It is a really cool effect, and I really like how it looks, and the font is just super nice too. I really like the font, but it is a super easy thing to create. So first, you literally just press T, switch to the text layer, and you come on here. And as you can see, my source text right now, I'm using the font Cloudy with a Chance of Love. I'm going to leave that link down in the description so you guys can download this. This is the font that Swagger uses, and this font is super nice for the subtitles. Alright, we'll type something out. Let's hear what she says first.
It does happen
So we'll type out if this happens. You want to make sure the text is centered too over here. And then you want to shrink the font down. Let's bring this down a bit. And we'll go ahead. If you press Control and Windows key, you can line it up perfectly. Then we can move it down here to the center. So now that it's down here, since this is something Swagger does in his videos, but since there's other people talking in the videos, you can change the color of the stroke. So you can change the color of the stroke to kind of like identify other people are talking. So you can have that same color throughout the video with each person talking. So now that we have the text, you see it's there, but like it doesn't pop. But it is there, and it looks nice. But there's one last step to getting this text to just like that last thing that just pops, and it's small, but it means a lot. Like it makes a huge difference in the videos. So you go to scale up here and you set a keyframe. You click this little stopwatch, set a keyframe. After that, you set it right at the start, and then after that you're going to want to go 5 forward. Press your arrow key to the right 5 times. And then you're going to want to raise this up to 120. This is what I do. You can test out different sizes with scale and see which one you like. But I go up to 120, and then you go over 1, 2, 3 more times, and you drop down to 115. And now, if you look at it,
it does happen
it kind of like
it does happen such that it does. It does happen such that it does happen.
And this was literally the hardest part. So now that this is done, you kind of want to zoom in. You can line up the text a bit more.
It does happen.
And now you can just copy this text layer for all the people speaking.
It does happen.
So what I would do is I'd hold Alt and just drag it over. Click and drag it over, and now it creates a copy over top of this one with a new layer here. And she says,
such that it does happen.
Such that it does happen. And it goes,
it does happen such that it does happen.
And you got like a constant flow, and you can keep this going for the entire clip, and you'll have nice subtitles that look just like Swaggersouls. It is honestly pretty easy, and it ups the quality of your videos quite a bit. So please let me know down in the comments if this was useful for you guys, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe if you can. That would be amazing. I got this recommendation for a video over on TikTok, and I thought it was an amazing idea. It is a super simple way to up the quality of your videos, and it's a great way to just take your funny videos to the next level. Anyways, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all tomorrow.
Gecko.